Pete, tell us about sharpening a chainsaw.
All right. I never allow my saw to get dull. Some people let their saw get too dull and then it's too hard on the engine. I take my marker and I mark my tooth that I'm starting on. You wouldn't have to, but I want to make sure that I don't resharpen the same tooth again because you want to do the same number of file strokes on each tooth so that they're cut even. And then as I'm pushing the file, I rotate it a little bit and make sure you do, like I said, make sure you do the same number of strokes. So usually 3. This file's getting a little dull, I'll have to replace it soon. Then you go to the next tooth, doing the same thing. Now in between each tooth, there's a flat part, it's called a raker. That helps to clean out the chips. And that raker occasionally has to be touched with a flat file, but it doesn't have to be done very often. And it only has to be a tiny, tiny bit below the cutting surface. My light in here isn't quite good enough to see what I'm doing. Just kind of feeling it. Once I get through doing these teeth, then I will have to turn the chainsaw around and then I'll use my other hand for sharpening the teeth going in the other direction. Okay, I've done this side now, these teeth. Which is a nice thing about a small saw, you can get it done quickly. Big one takes forever. And now I'm just going to turn my saw around. Okay, there we go. So I've already marked my tooth here as an indicator so I know where to stop on the chain. So I'll put that like that. Now I'm going to commence sharpening. See what I mean about being able to hold in towards the saw? It's also easier for me rotating the chain too. And then I can use this arm here to hold down on the saw as I'm going. Sometimes you've noticed that I maybe take an extra stroke on the file. As you're using a chain, you'll find maybe the one tooth needs a little bit, needs to be worked a little extra to match the other teeth. Say maybe I nicked a rock or something with one, I've got to do a little extra work to reshape that tooth. If you try to avoid rocks or any sand, dirt, and firewood. There, that looks good. And also, when you're filing, you get these shavings all over the place. Make sure you clean your hands off before you touch your eyes or anything. You don't want to get that stuff in your eye. There we go. Good. Ready for business.